This is your sacred space to heal, align, and create the life you deserve. And now, let us begin the meditation. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and feel the weight of the world melting off your shoulders. As an empath, you've carried emotions, energies, and burdens that were never yours to hold. But now, this is your sacred time to recharge your aura, to strengthen your field, and to set boundaries that protect your gentle heart. Your sensitivity is your gift, and now you honor it by creating space for peace and restoration. With each inhale, visualize pure, radiant light flowing into your aura, cleansing and repairing every layer of your energetic field. With each exhale, release the heaviness you've absorbed from others. Imagine a shimmering shield forming around you, soft yet unbreakable, glowing with vibrant colors, allowing in only love, only light, only harmony. As you breathe, repeat to yourself, I honor my energy. I protect my space. I release what is not mine. My aura is strong. My boundaries are clear. Feel the difference within you. Your heart no longer weighed down. Your spirit expanding. Your body resting in safety. You are no longer drained. You are recharged, whole and free. Take one final deep breath, filling your aura with golden protection. And as you release, affirm silently, my energy is mine. My boundaries are sacred. My aura radiates only light. Now, step back into your life carrying this shield, knowing you are safe, empowered, and endlessly supported. Breathe, relax, and carry your light with strength and serenity. And now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body soften even more Let your mind rest and your heart feel safe. Remember, this peace you feel now is always within you, waiting for you to return. Carry it gently with you as you move forward. You are safe. You are loved. You are exactly where you need to be. Until we meet again, breathe, relax, and be at